In front of me is Nepin phone for April, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. First of all, you need to open an app called Files that's already on your device and select those three lines at the top left corner. Now tap on Clean at the top, and when you're ready, choose Clean under Junk Files. Last but not least, click on Clear in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my Nepin phone was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!